start, which I promise this is not. Good morning. It is 7 a.m. Please ignore my man voice. This is the first time I've spoken after I got up, and I quickly got ready because I wanna go play badminton. कल भी खेला था. I'm a bit tired and sleepy, but not gonna let that get in the way. Gonna have a banana because I get super hungry while I'm playing. So this helps with the energy and stuff. I play for about 30 to 40 minutes without any break in between, and oh my god, it is such a good workout. Like, your walks are peaceful, but badminton gives you such 7 a.m. पे भी इतनी honking. Anyways, what was I saying? Yeah, walks are peaceful, but badminton gives you such a good boost of energy. तो हाँ, let's have this, go and play. उसके बाद I'm gonna come back home, make breakfast, and then I have a long day because I have planned to shoot some content. तो वही करूँगी, but I'll try to bring you along पूरे दिन. Let's see. Also मैंने ना कल vlog डाला था. Like, I edited the entire day, took a shower, dyed my hair, stayed in my PJs, and just sat on my table and edited the entire day. So that went live. तो आज मुझे एडिटिंग का काम तो नहीं है. देखती हूँ अगर I need to edit the shots that I filmed today, but otherwise no long form editing, and that makes me really like less anxious because I find it really hard to juggle filming and editing. एक ही दिन पे वो नहीं हो पाता. Anyways, enough of yapping. I'm gonna finish this and head to the park and play. In case you ever wonder how I look after playing badminton, this is me, all gross, but I'm so tired and hungry. Like, itni bhook lag rahi hai. I think we are gonna go buy some bananas and have some नारियल पानी. नारियल पानी पीने का बहुत मन कर रहा है. It's gonna refresh us. Let's go. Done with my makeup. I still need to put lipstick on. I have foundation lips, but that's fine. This is not what I'm gonna film in. I have lots of kajal in my eyes because I am gonna film something desi. I'm gonna show you in a minute. But अभी almost lunch time हो चुका है, so I'm really confused कि मैं पहले lunch करूँ या पहले film करूँ, because to get interrupted वो नहीं चलता. But let's see क्या करना है. Now I'm gonna bring all my stuff in this room. पहले मैं यहाँ पर film ही नहीं करती थी, but now I feel like ये मेरा signature बनता जा रहा है. So I'm gonna bring everything यहाँ पर, tripods, ring light. आज lighting बिल्कुल अच्छी नहीं है. It's again so gloomy and rainy. तो we'll have to fix it. But yeah, I'm really excited to film it. And I think इससे ज़्यादा मैं नहीं बताऊँगी. Maybe later I'll show you some, behind the scenes या ऐसा सा कुछ. But अभी के लिए I gotta go. Okay, so this is the kurta that I'm gonna wear. It's from Anoki and I showed it to you in my shopping vlog. But आज इसको style करेंगे. But that's not the main reason why I'm gonna shoot a shot. It's because I ordered bunch of silver jewelry that I'm gonna create a shot out of, and if you need any links, go check out my Instagram. I think before this vlog goes live, ये वाली shot या reel live जाएगी. So excited to finally film this. I've been waiting for all my jhumkas to arrive. Yes. And today is the day. Before I start filming, I'm gonna have my lunch, which is rajma chawal. मैंने पहले ही prepare कर दिए थे after I came back from playing badminton. फटाफट से बनाया. Just a second, I'm gonna show it to you. I'm all done. By the way, this was the entire look. I also filmed a get ready with me. Not exactly get ready with me, but एक छोटू सी short. Not sure if it's gonna make it, but this is my look, and these are the earrings that I specifically got for this kurta. This and this do not go, but और कोई neck piece अच्छा ही नहीं लग रहा था. I think I need to plan a Janpat trip very very soon. काफी time लग गया. It is 3:30 p.m. A little tired because नीचे बैठना without any back support and to do all of these things repeatedly बार till you get a nice shot. थोड़ा सा तो difficult होता है, but anyways lunch तो कर ही लिया था. Now I think I'm gonna look back at the footage, see कुछ miss तो नहीं हुआ. Maybe start editing this shot. Like I wanna post it very soon because festival days चल रहे हैं, right? मेरे पास और तो कुछ नहीं है करने को. Like I had my entire day just set free for this. So I think मैं इसी को edit करने वाली हूँ. And I am gonna see you later. But नहीं, wait. I'm wearing this ring which I promised to show you last vlog में. So this is पहली ring that I got. So pretty. ये ना purple stone में है. But I also got a pink one. Let me bring it and show it to you. Okay. This is the second ring. So pretty यार. Let me show it to you. Now I do not have any rings in my hand. Okay. Yes. Can you see? It's so pretty. ये वाली तो मुझे देखते ही पसंद आ गई थी. And I think I paid 400 for both of them. That's it. Good morning. It is the next day. I'm getting ready because I'm gonna head out for an early morning coffee date with AB. I have actually been craving for this morning wali coffee date because उस time पे ना cafes में बिल्कुल भी rush नहीं होता. There's barely anyone. Like ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा एक या दो लोग होंगे. And we get to spend so much of time together. Like हम बैठ के घंटों बातें करते हैं. जब से समर स्टार्ट हुई है ना, वी हैवंट डन दिस बिकॉज पहले वी यूज टू गो टू दैट प्रिटी वाला पार्क, बट ऐसे मौसम में ना अभी मन नहीं कर रहा. ऑल्सो टुडे आई एम नॉट गोना डू एनी काइंड ऑफ वर्कआउट, नो वॉक्स, नो बैडमिंटन, बिकॉज आई हैव बीन वर्किंग आउट फॉर अराउंड आई थिंक 1 week लगातार. So I need that break. So yeah, let's head out. I'm gonna quickly put a couple of things in my bag. I think I'm all ready. Phone, let's go. I feel sleepy. Guys, I forgot to show you. I'm wearing my new shoes. Yay! never done with taking a shower, and every time I come out of the shower I feel so thirsty, like practically parched. मुझे immediately पानी चाहिए होता है. Is it just me? Am I the only one? I do not know इसके पीछे क्या science है. But anyways, I'm gonna do my skincare. To be honest, मेरी कोई लंबी चौड़ी skincare नहीं है. I am not the kind of a person जिसके पास 10-step skincare routine हो. The only thing, like the only extra thing I do is ice my face, because that is what keeps me like गर्मियों में थोड़ा सा शांत. Like I do it every day. Except for some days in winters में कई बारी इतनी ठंड में possible ही नहीं होता. Anyways, I'm gonna use this Gulab Jal rose water from Nat Habit, and yeah, just use it as a toner and a final swipe, because Gurgaon में इतना pollution होता है, there's so much dust that you need the step. After this, I just go ahead with the moisturizer I'm using for that season. Right now I'm using this hydrating facial gel from Forest Essentials. ये भी rose water में है. Like I love the fragrance of rose, especially in the stuff that I put on my face. And इसके पीछे की कहानी तो you know, if you follow me you know, I love putting like natural aloe vera gel on my face. वही मुझे सूट करता है. I'm really like sensitive girly, and yeah, this has been suiting me well. So gonna put this on. I genuinely love like Forest Essentials के ना products. I also use their tinted what is it? Oh, skin tint. तो वो भी बहुत अच्छा है. That's it. That's my simple सा 2-step, 3-step if you include the icing skincare routine. And now I'm gonna get थोड़ा सा ready, like barely ready, because I have nowhere to go, and still like it's good to feel presentable. तो थोड़ा सा कुछ करते हैं. I have this concealer testing kit from Simply Nam. मैंने काफ़ी दिनों से ये use नहीं किया है, and I think it's perfect for today, because I think I just need a little bit of concealer under my eyes, and I have my Benetint with me. I am practically out of it. मतलब ये मैं अब ना कम ही use करने लगी हूँ, because silly me, I mentioned that I wanted to get the cherry cola वाला lip and cheek tint I think from ELF, but I did not place an order. उस पे off भी था, sale भी थी, but I just kept on contemplating लूँ ना लूँ. वो ऐसा out of stock हुआ that it's not coming back in stock. I check it every day, but like क्या logic हुआ? Why did I miss buying it? I do not know, when I needed it so much. मुझे जब वो हर रोज चाहिए, like हर रोज I am refreshing and checking if it is in stock or not. मुझे ले ही लेना चाहिए था, but now I cannot get my hands on it. वो कहीं और available है ही नहीं. But हाँ, today we are gonna go ahead with the concealers and the Benetint, and I think that would be it. And the reason this is so perfect for today is because ये hydrating concealers हैं, which means it requires minimal blending. I could blend it with my finger, but let's try it with a brush. It's been really long since I used it, तो मैं थोड़ा तो texture भूल चुकी हूँ. But yeah, it blends into nothing, like literally. That's it. It's done. I'm gonna put it once more for a little buildable coverage. This time I'm gonna blend it with my finger. बहुत ज़्यादा coverage नहीं है, but I think it's fine for a day at home. I'm gonna set it with a little bit of powder. This is the Kosas ka Cloud Set Powder, and I'm in the shade Comfy. A bit dark for me, but ठीक है, does the job. I don't think so. I'm gonna put on powder anywhere else on my face. And then I have my eyeshadow brush, which has leftover shadows from yesterday. So I'm just gonna like roughly put it all over my eye. Now some Benetint on lips and cheek. A tint adds so much to your face. I love this product. And now what else? Yeah, I'm gonna use this lip oil from Gisu or Jisoo. For my eyes, I'm gonna use this Fay Beauty Ideal Kajal, Intense Gel Kajal in Brown Sugar. Fay Beauty makes like literally really good products, and like I don't believe it's like made in India. Like Indian brands are doing so well in in terms of makeup. And this really does not irritate my eyes. I really like this kajal. A little bit of mascara. This is the Sky High mascara from Maybelline. Because I wear contacts, I really love to wear waterproof mascara that like I don't think so I can go ahead with the non-waterproof ones because my eyes tend to get watery at times if irritated like by dust or if it's really windy that day. And that's it. That's literally my no makeup look. It hardly takes me 5 minutes, but because I was, talking through it, it took me some time. Okay, it's a little while later. I painted my nails and I cleared out my junk drawer, and these are the covers of my old phone, iPhone 13 Pro. Let me show it to you. That's not even it. These 4 are gonna go in the trash, and the other ones I think I'm gonna donate it to someone who has an iPhone 13 Pro आजकल के ज़माने में. So I recently switched my phone and I had it for I think 3.5 years. तभी इतने ज़्यादा covers hoarded हैं. But I need to get rid of them. I'm gonna figure this thing out later, but I think I need some caffeine. Even Avi wants some caffeine. I'm gonna make matcha. I think you can tell it in my voice. I feel like a bit tired, exhausted, and thodi si low on energy. So let's make it together. Cheers. Tastes so good. Anyways, I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. I hope you enjoyed watching this and hanging out with me. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Like, share, comment. And I am gonna see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.